हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे कहें आप लोग। आज मैं आप लोगों को क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के सीबीएसई में क्वेश्चन आया हुआ का एक क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूं। और क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इफ यू इंटरेस्टेड टू सी इन डिटेल तो मेरे प्रीवियस वीडियो वॉच कीजिए। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन इज, for what value of n will the quadratic equation 2m x square minus 2 1 plus 2m into x plus 3 plus 2m equal to 0 have real but distinct root? Question part 1. And second part, when will the roots be equal? So to solve this type of problem, remember it's first you write down your given quadratic equation. So the solution of this given problem is कि given here, write down the given quadratic equation, that is 2mx square minus 2 into 1 plus 2m into x plus 3 plus 2m equal to 0. Now compare it with your standard form of the quadratic equation. बताइए आप लोग क्या होती है वो। यस यस, टेल मी। यस, करेक्ट। इट इज ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इक्वल टू 0। नाउ ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इक्वल टू 0। कंपेयर द गिवन इक्वेशन विद दिस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, then we get the value of a, b and c. So here you can say a is equal to coefficient of x square is a, so this is 2m. So write down it is 2m, comma coefficient of x is called b, so this whole term is your b including minus sign. So b is equal to minus 2 1 plus 2m into x, and value of c is, this whole term is your value of c, 3 plus 2m. 3 plus 2m. Now these are your values a, b and c. Then you have to calculate the value of discriminant. The discriminant is given by d is equal to, yes, tell me, it is b square minus 4ac. Substitute the value of b, a and c from here to here. Calculate the value of discriminant first. So this, you can say this implies discriminant is equal to sorry, b, value of b is this minus 2 1 plus 2m. Here it is not a coefficient of x is your value of b. So value of b is only minus 2m, 2 into 1 plus 2m, and b square. So make it whole square of this term. So this is whole square. Minus 2 1 plus 2m whole square. This is your value of b. Then minus 4ac. So minus 4 into a. What is the value of a? Value of a is 2m here. So put it here 2m into c. Value of c is 3 plus 2m. Now simplified it. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? Yes, good. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Apply that relation is here to open this bracket. So this is equal to, then you can say this implies discriminant d is equal to square of negative quantity always positive. So minus 2 whole square become 4, and open this bracket, a square, a is 1 here, so 1 plus 4m square plus 2ab, it is 4m, minus 4 to the 8, so 8m into 3 plus 2m, and again simplified it. So this is equal to 4 plus 4 4 ja 16 m square plus 4 4 जा 16 again m minus 8 3 जा 24 minus plus minus 8 2 जा 16 m square. Now see here, this 16m square is your plus term, positive, and this is negative. So these two terms we cancel out it, and 16m and minus 24m become minus 8m. So final discriminant is yours, comes out 4 minus 8m. This is your value of the discriminant. डियर स्टूडेंट, इसको आगे कंटिन्यू करने के पहले मेरी आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आपको मेरा चैनल अच्छा लगता है और आप मेरी हेल्प करना चाहते हैं तो मेरी हेल्प करने का तरीका यही है कि आप इसको अपने मित्रों को शेयर करें, और अगर आप कुछ कंट्रीब्यूशन करना चाहते हैं तो कोरोना फैल रहा है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर रिलीफ फंड में आप मेरे नाम से या आप अपने नाम से कुछ भी दान कर दीजिए जिससे वो किसी मजदूर के काम आएगा. मेरा नाम है डॉक्टर संजय राजवंशी. ओके, थैंक यू. नाउ वी कंटिन्यू दी आवर प्रॉब्लम. हियर यू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेंट. d is equal to 4 minus 8m. Now solve it. So our aim is now calculate have real and distinct rule. What for what value of m? This given equation has real and distinct rule. So for this you have to apply the condition for the distinct rule. So what are the conditions? You know that it three condition discriminant: d greater than 0, d less than 0, or d equal to 0. So your part number 1. For your first part, real and distinct rule. So for real and distinct rule, what is the condition बच्चों? For real and distinct rules, condition is d must be greater than 0. For real and distinct rule, always value of discriminant must be positive. तो value of discriminant is positive. कैसे होगी? तो d क्या होना चाहिए? Greater than 0. And your discriminant is comes out 4 minus 8m. We have already calculated it. Put it here. So this implies 4 minus 8m greater than 0. This is for real and distinct rule. 4 minus 8m greater than 0. 4 minus 8m greater than 0. Then solve it. So or you can say 4 greater than 8m. 4 greater than 8m. अब 4 greater than 8m, so this implies what is the value of m then? Then m is less than 4 by 8. Cancel out, solve it. So it's become 1 by 2. So we can say finally कि for the real and distinct rule, the value of m must be less than 1 by 2. This is your answer of first part. Now we solve the second part. Second part is when will the roots be equal? Your second part is when will the roots be equal? So for the roots be equal, discriminant, value of discriminant equal to 0. So second part, you write down the condition for second part. What is the condition? Write down here 4 real and equal root. For real and equal roots. For real and equal roots. So for real and equal rule, the value of discriminant is equal to 0. So this implies what is the value of discriminant? We have already calculated 4 minus 8m. So 4 minus 8m is equal to 0. So 4 minus 8m is equal to 0. So or you can say 4 equal to 8m, and finally this implies m is equal to 4 upon 8 is equal to 1 by 2. Hence m is equal to one by 2. The value of m if 1 by 2, then the roots of this given equation be equal and real. Thank you very much.